In this video, I'm going to share with you my Insta360 One X bag and the bare essentials I carry around to get amazing shots every time. When I'm out and about filming, especially when I'm on holiday, the last thing I want to happen is to be bogged down by lots of equipment. I need something that's small, light, portable, and really convenient. And for me, the backpack is just way too inconvenient to keep taking off your shoulders, getting your stuff out. It's just way too much work. So I essentially wanted a bag that would give me access to the One X more easily. And that's exactly what a sling bag does. I just bring it around in front of me because it wraps around me really easily. I can open the bag without having to hold it. I can pull out the One X more easily. And then I can pull out my invisible selfie stick, close the bag, wrap it back around me. And now I can set up to start my hyperlapse or time shift. So this is the Bale Sling Bag, and I bought this from Amazon last year for $11.99 during the Cyber Monday sale. But just to be clear, this is not a sponsored video. I really like this bag, so I thought I'd share it with you guys because I think it's going to really help you. One of the best things about this bag is that it is completely waterproof. So if you look at the zip over here, you can see that it is water sealed, so no water can leak inside the bag. It doesn't matter whether you're right or left-handed because you can move this clip to either side of the bag. And over here you have a little pocket, so if you want to keep your passport, it's really easy and convenient to get hold of. And it also has a USB charging port. So you can attach your external battery power inside the bag with the USB cable, get your One X USB cable, attach it here, and then connect it to your camera whilst it's around your neck. And then when you're ready to record, just unplug it and put the cable in your pocket. And you're ready to go. Another cool thing this bag can do is open completely flat. Let me show you what I mean. To open this bag, I'm literally just going to drag this zip all the way down, all the way around the bag, and it will open completely flat. So here you can see are all the bare essentials that I carry with me when I'm filming with the One X. The one thing I recommend you carry with you all the time is the invisible selfie stick. This means you can get a third-person view really easily, and I use it for hyperlapses and time shifts. So definitely keep this handy, it's really good. The second thing is the bullet time handle, so I connect this with the invisible selfie stick and then I can do bullet time, or if I want to, I can put this out like this, put it on the ground and then get a shot really quickly. The Joby is really useful with the invisible selfie stick. It comes up to a tripod length without actually carrying a tripod. It is really light, so you need to make sure that you put weight on top of it so the wind doesn't blow it over. But you can also wrap this on poles and tubes along with the invisible selfie stick, and you'll get a really steady shot without worrying about the wind. Here I have an external power bank, and this is the USB cable that comes with the bag in this pocket. And when you connect the power bank into the USB charging cable, it then powers the USB port on the outside of the bag, which means you can then charge your One X on the outside. And this is where I keep the One X, in this sleeve over here. And over here I would keep the charging cables and maybe my mobile phone cable. And there's a sleeve over here. I keep a cleaning cloth, really handy. And that is my bag. So this is what the bag looks like with all the accessories in it. There's definitely space for other accessories, maybe a clamp or your sunglasses. One of the drawbacks is that it isn't designed to be a camera bag, so it's not that padded. So if you do drop it, then something inside the bag might break. And another drawback is that the bag cannot stand up by itself. That's why I have a Joby behind it, just to keep it upright for the camera. Other than that, I think the bag looks really cool. It kind of has the same modern design as the Insta360 One X. So now you know how I carry around the Insta360 One X.